did we do?
Hybrid was first, Numbani.
King's
Oh, yeah.
Row. Oh no, yeah, Lumbani.
Did it.
Doesn't matter. Scrims are not to practice all maps. Like a type of each map is, you know, what you want and off.
I hate this map because as Anna, there's nowhere for you to go. It's such a
Just
shitty map.
yeah, just drop down, mate. If somebody jumps you.
They're going mids.
They're coming
Genji
left.
low.
Jumping in, we should pull back, pull back. Don't go in that room, don't go in that room.
Yeah, I'm good.
I got pulled over there.
Fuck.
They need to pull back insta when they engage, I think.
And I'm lagging a bit now. Shit.
Should I switch off?
No, still can.
Okay.
D.Va low.
Oh, they res. D.Va's one.
Oh, I'm lagging. Shit. D.Va side of Mac.
Maybe they want the top, I think.
I'm gonna jump high ground. Nice pick. Sweet. I'm gonna stall the payload a bit.
They stand there, and a Genji.
They're backing off.
This discarded.
Nice
Nice.
pick. I jumped in to stop the res, but I'm gonna die, so I have to ult.
You have an
I got
ult,
one.
you have an ult.
They're on feed, so
I got
One
two.
Genji.
I can't heal you, D.Va.
Nice. Okay, let's fall back. Okay, I'm gonna fight the payload here.
We vote.
Genji on me.
I'm jumping out.
I can't get to you in time, I think, to heal. Ulting at the payload. Ulting at the payload, you're all in the high ground, I can't get to you.
Yeah,
I tried to peel, now I'm dead.
yeah. Transphone healers up there.
I was down high, low ground because I had to jump from the revolt.
Hey, we can't contest this easy.
Yeah.
Need some heals.
So,
Okay, Zen's one,
Zen,
Zen's one,
Zen.
behind the payload. This is winnable.
D.Va discarded.
Fuck.
Okay, regroup. Yeah, next time, Azana, don't rush in that much. Because
Behind, D.Va on me behind. D.Va on me behind. D.Va on me behind. I'm dead.
Yeah, sorry, I couldn't heal you.
Okay.
Winston's on
Winston,
feed.
nice, nice, nice.
Going back.
Going for Genji up top. He's being double healed.
I'm lagging so much.
If you can pull back a bit, I can orb.
Again,
Yeah, I can hear you lagging.
what?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that shield went down just in time.
That was nasty.
It bounced off the wall and it
Yeah.
created this
Just
weird
regroup
angle.
for the last contest.
I can touch, I can touch. Let me go first. Okay, I need healing.
I'm gonna
I'm
throw
going
the
now.
EMP on point.
It's still a monkey.
Sorry, too late.
Genji.
I woke up to sorry. The Winston.
Oh, I'm out of max. They focused me.
Winston,
Thank you,
Winston.
Get Tracer.
Fuck.
We might have needed to switch to Lucio.
Morrison could work as well. I think it's a bit hard map for Ana because you don't have that many sightlines,
Yeah.
especially after the first point. So it's hard for you to find a position where you could heal.
Yeah, and I'm lagging a bit, so fuck.
It's okay.
Good old quad tank.
Oh yeah, let's do quad tank.
Have we won a map against these people yet? Oh, we beat them in the first one, right?
Map, yeah, and they didn't seem that hard, but no.
Yeah.
Go Moira if you can, Magnor. We're just gonna go left, down, and from there to point.
Yeah.
Les attaquants arrivent dans 30
Oh,
secondes.
I never looked at this map before.
How do I?
Okay,
Okay.
let's get ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Les attaquants approchent. Défendez l'objectif A.
Okay. They have a junk. Okay, going now. They're diving us? Okay, they're going to point.
On
Let's
McCree.
pass this Orisa.
McCree low.
Orisa's one.
Diva low. Mercy.
Agree on the left, careful.
I'm trapped.
Moira.
They're coming. Oh, it got me. But you got it, so it's fine.
Good job. I have
Good
Shatter.
job.
We have a lot of ults.
10% of my ult as well.
63% energy. Is this gonna be a thing?
Yeah, probably.
It
64.
should be a thing.
What do you
I
want to
should-
use?
Yes,
I shouldn't.
Let's do they have any ults up? They just use Junkrat and they swapped.
And they
to-
use Moira as well.
Okay.
They
And I
might have
doubt they
a-
have Zen.
Yeah, but they might have a Diva soldier.
Rip.
Nice
Fall back.
shield, man.
I got pulled up towards them
Yeah,
at the
I
last
do
second.
too.
Just regroup. Go back.
Okay, so they probably have soldier and Reaper.
I'm gonna go high grounds.
Can you speed
Yeah, we
me in?
can.
And I'll go past their shield and
Yeah.
shatter.
We can go high ground, all of us.
Okay, high ground.
They're all there. All of them.
Oh, we're going.
A lot of them.
Follow up.
I couldn't stop myself. Sorry.
On
Got it.
Orisa. Orisa 1. Zen.
And?
Moira.
Soldier. Soldier got the high ground.
She's low.
Fuck it, he took me.
Okay, they will have a Zen ult.
I'll see if I can shatter him.
And soldier at a Zen.
Oh my god.
Oh, we lost Moira. Careful.
Nice.
One healer down. Careful.
Both healers down. Zen dead.
Keep up behind.
Moira's one.
D.Va. Boy.
I'm on him.
Moira.
Has ult. One health.
Oh, she's still alive.
Off.
Nice.
Moira's still alive? How?
One. Soldier.
How is she still alive? Jesus.
No, he's not. Where is he? I'm confused.
God damn.
Got a bad spawn miles away.
Reaper.
Reaper. They used pretty much everything. They probably have Moira soon. So careful when we push in. They probably have Orisa ult.
Yeah. They're gonna have D.Va bomb, right?
Yeah, they will 100%. The soldier still didn't use ult, did he?
Okay, I'm gonna ult in 1, 2.
D.Va bomb. Ult.
One soldier.
I'm asleep deep.
He's dead. I'm on D.Va.
D.Va's on the right.
Reaper behind. Reaper behind.
Fuck, bad charge. Fuck, I got antied. I only got the run.
No follow.
I don't know if you have any continuation. It was.
Okay, regroup, yeah?
Yeah.
How's our ults doing?
I'm only on 20.
Could we try having, instead of one tank, can we try Junkrat?
That's a good idea, I think. Okay, let's do it. Can we try going bottom and around? Oh wait,
Yeah.
hug. Okay, hug, no hook.
D.Va on the
D.Va
high.
half.
Hug's behind me. Oh,
Die.
I'm on hog. I'm on hog. Sleeping.
okay, that's a regroup.
Used what? Used the. Did they use Moira ult?
They use Moira, Nano Boost, D.Va Bomb, Rain Shatter.
Maybe.
They don't have any ults up right
We
now, I
have to
think.
wait. We have to wait for the D.Va. Gotta pick him up.
Okay, let's
And
do it.
Moira's one. At the minute.
D.Va above.
I'm getting pushed.
Genji.
I'm antied again, every time.
Not much.
Okay, so what's missing?
They're running 3 tanks.
And Anna, and the Andy is bad. Or she
Yeah,
will get
Andy's
on it.
winning.
Yeah.
Oh shit, he left.
Pause, leave it.
It's not. It's
What?
10 o'clock for them, so that's why possibly.
Oh. Okay, what the fuck? Nice, you saved me so hard.
Evil. And they have this combo with the D.Va stun. They're doing quite nice. We should play dive and jump the Ana. That's our win condition. We can do it now, but in
I'm touching,
future.
I'm touching. I got hammered, I'm hooked off. I'm antied.
Touch. I'm touching.
I'm backing up, I'm antied. Okay. He's trying to push me.
I'm a wolf.
I'm charging in. I got hooked. Shield down, shield down, shield down. Right low. I'm gonna shatter here. Anna's one. Dead.
We're gonna win this because it's 5v6.
Well, we don't win, we get it.
I guess that's it because they have one down.
Yeah, but what we needed to do there, the Ana was standing alone at the back, so we needed either to dive or have DPS that can just go for the Ana.
Yeah.
So that was, I think. But do they want to continue, even they miss a person?
No, don't. I don't wanna. I can't be bothered.
Yeah.
Doing 5v6.
Yeah, no, it's not worth. Oh my god.
Oh no, it's the bit.